This video is brought to you by Advanced Digital Media Services. Improving website ranking on other search engines. Many people are dependent on the internet in today's high-tech society. For different reasons, millions of people visit different sites. It is crucial to have a high website ranking for users to find your business online. Google is a must-have in any discussion on SEO. However, Google isn't necessarily the only search engine that can bring traffic to your site. Website SEO ranking on Google can be your main focus, but not the only one. You will be missing out on significant traffic from other search engines if you ignore Yahoo and Bing. SEO for other search engines solves this, and Advanced Digital Media Services can show you how to improve your website ranking for alternative search engines. In this guide, let's look at how to check website ranking and the best ways to get a high website rank. Standard practices to get good search engine ranking. What is ranking in search engine optimization, if not about taking the top spot in results pages? SEO can be used to influence your website search engine ranking. Google and other search engines use complex algorithms to calculate search results for ranking website content. Publishing unique content relevant to your audience is the best way to increase your website ranking. These guidelines will help you make your pages more searchable. Quality, authoritative content, it drives search engine rankings. Your site's authority will increase, and your relevance will improve by creating content tailored to your audience. Keywords, when building pages on your website, use key terms that your audience uses to search for your content. Target a specific keyword phrase on each authoritative page of your website. Accurate page titles, use terms that are similar to the content of your pages for page titles. If the title matches their search, users are more likely to click on a link. Measured URLs, instead of using numeric URLs or other cryptic URLs, use URLs to the content pages. Using alt tags, describe your image or video with alt tags. These tags allow search engines to find your page. Also, your pages will be more accessible and easier to read for visually impaired visitors and text-only browsers. How to get a good site ranking on Yahoo. Thinking about what is ranking in search engine optimization and how it relates to Yahoo? Yahoo's search engine algorithm matches Bing's more closely than Google's. Getting a higher website ranking on Yahoo is much simpler than ranking in Google because it relies on fewer elements and the requirements are straightforward. You will also notice that the following tips for Yahoo SEO are very similar to other SEO work. 1. Conduct thorough keyword research. Keyword research involves the analysis of search terms people type into search engines in order to find relevant data. Keyword research can reveal the most popular queries, rank difficulty, and other information. How do you find the right keywords? The best place to start is your website's analytics data. You can use WordPress stats or Google Analytics to locate keywords that bring visitors to your site. Use these keywords as your starting point. Search engine ranking software like SEMrush or Ahrefs offers excellent all-in-one tools for your keyword and content research. 2. Create unique content. A lot of online content is simply a repetition of another. Companies often use information from competitors' websites for their content when they check website ranking in search engines. This decreases the quality of information online and causes consumers to jump from one article to another without finding new information on the same topic. Yahoo rewards originality by ranking your pages higher in search results. If you break this pattern, you might attract new readers. To improve your website ranking on Yahoo, keep the following in mind. Consider using videos from reliable sources over articles. Algorithms don't currently understand video content word for word. Depending on the topic, the risk that you are willing and able to take, approach the subject differently. You can use user-generated content to get away from the standard writing style for your website while you focus on articles that will improve your website rank. 3. Be aware of news and updates. No matter what engine you are optimizing for, it is a good idea to write about topics that are trending. Yahoo, however, places more emphasis on this topic than any other search engine. Google is straightforward with a search bar and occasional doodles on its home page. On the other hand, Bing places trending topics at the bottom of its search page. Yahoo devotes most of its web space to news and trending topics. Yahoo's search engine is a powerful tool for finding the most popular topics. It is beneficial to publish the content within the next 48 hours. You can stay ahead of the curve by tracking social media and using Google Trends. How to get a good site ranking on Bing. Optimizing for Bing will be similar to optimizing for Google. Both search engines use algorithms that look out for keyword stuffing, manipulated linking schemes, and other questionable techniques some marketers use to influence the website ranking. There are some things you can do with Bing to improve your search engine optimization. Here are 4 ways to improve your marketing efforts. 1. Build quality backlinks. Designing an SEO strategy that targets Bing should be focused on link quality, not quantity. It would be best if you didn't spend too much time getting backlinks for Bing SEO. Instead, it would help to build links to high-authority sites Bing trusts and create engaging content that people want to share. These are the 2 types of backlinks Bing favors. 1. Organic links from trusted and relevant websites. 2. Linking to old domains because it considers age as an indicator of credibility. Bing, like Google, also warns against using reciprocal links, paid link schemes, and links from hacked sites. 2. Take note of on-page SEO. Optimizing the pages of your website will make it easier to rank. Bing is looking for relevant keywords and headings, especially H1 and H2. Here are more helpful tips for your on-page SEO to rank on Bing. For the head copy, make titles unique, relevant, and 65 characters long. Make descriptions unique, relevant, grammatically accurate, and around 160 characters or less. For the body copy, use H1, H2, or other H tags to display page content structure. Use one H1 tag per page. For the body copy, use alt tags. These tags help crawlers understand what's in an image. Use keywords in the text or content. You can use the keyword or phrase a few times but also use variations. For anchor text, use targeted keywords in the linked text to support internal pages. For content, focus on keyword research. It shows you what users want. Avoid rich media and images. Images are not the best way to store your content. Create new content often. Crawlers will visit your site more often if you post new content. 3. Pay attention to social media. A user can instantly see if any Facebook friends or Twitter followers have recommended or rated the company or product they are searching for on Bing. Google hasn't integrated social media into their search results as Bing does. This is why social networking should be part of your overall marketing and SEO strategy. Your website ranking will improve on SERPs if you generate more traction on social media platforms. 4. Focus creating quality content. Make sure that any information you publish is reliable, easy to read, and accurate. You should be focusing on quality, not quantity. It is a good idea to include related images in your text content. Do not try to maximize the content of your blog posts by splitting it into multiple blogs. Businesses must keep users happy and engaged. Your website could send negative signals to Bing that can cause your visitors to panic. A good design, page speed, and straightforward navigation are all critical. These will help your website ranking position to increase in Bing. SEO is constantly changing, so don't put all your efforts into one place. Optimizing for all search engines is the only way to stay on top of search results. Bing and Yahoo SEO are no different from Google. These search engines recommend creating high-quality content to ensure a high website ranking. Your website may take some time to rank high if it is still new, and SEO is a long-term strategy. Make the smart move of getting into both the Yahoo and Bing markets. Let Advanced Digital Media Services show you the way. Our SEO services in Denver can help you reach more audiences through on-page and off-page optimization, keyword analysis, and content creation. Review more of our services and contact us today. Let's improve your website search engine ranking and more.